Good day. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, with my stock index future comments on the 24th of January. So we're here in the third week of January, starting out 2014, and I always give you the word of the day. I would have to say the word of the day would be emerging currency markets, and they're putting pressure on the stock index futures. And why? Because of the tapering that could continue to occur from the Fed's central banks. Now, have said that, yesterday we had a big pullback in the stock index futures, okay, and we're having some technical damage now. And the reason yesterday was China, and their manufacture was disappointing or contracting. And as a second largest economy in the world, that is very concerning for investors and traders of stock index futures. Now, earnings haven't been all that robust. Our situation might be contracting a little bit, and those are probably the fundamental things that you should be concentrating. China slowing down, emerging market currencies are pulling back dramatically. They benefited from the stimulus from central banks, and with the thought of maybe pulling back on that stimulus, they're profit taking and going down, and that's worrying stock index future traders. Now, have said all that, next week is going to be extremely important. So take out your pencil, write down the date. The 29th is a Wednesday. We got a 2-day meeting of the Fed. Remember, if they're in control of tapering or lack of tapering, it's going to be very important to see what they have to say coming into the beginning of the year with a new chairman at the helm. Now, on a technical point of view, we have in my opinion, only a possible sell signal. Now, we've been in a bull market for 4 years. We were up over 30% in this S&P future contract for all of 2013. But our last swing low was around 1810 in the March contract S&P futures. We are underneath that right now because of the emerging market currency problem that is developing. Now, yesterday we went down a lot, and let me just give you some key points, okay? We need to close eventually above 1847. We're around 1809, 1807, okay? If we were supposed to have held some support around the 1822 level, but we crashed right through it this morning. So with that in mind, now we have the bears kind of getting in control. The big target would be 1788. A close underneath that, and the bears are now in control, and we now have a correction in the making. We'll see if we can close above or below 1810 today, and that would help kind of figure it out. We'll probably, if we close under 10, put more pressure before the Fed meeting. Remember always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss, is not suitable for everyone. Good luck and good trading.